Blacked out Jeep Wrangler. Uh-oh. We don't got the blacked out Jeep Wrangler here today. Well, there's a big reason for that. We're going to the auto show, and unfortunately, the garage clearance at the Metro Toronto Convention Center is 6'3". My Jeep sits just a shy over 6'4". So, had to grab the dad's Buick. This should be fun. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm driving my dad's Buick. Gotta tell you, it's a whole different drive and ride. Super smooth, but I'm missing my Jeep. Anyways, I'm super pumped to get to the auto show. There's gonna be a bunch of JL Wranglers. I've already seen some pictures, some other buddies of mine that have been uploading on Instagram and stuff like that. So I'm excited to take you guys along with me and check these out firsthand. It looks like there's gonna be some modified ones as well with windows down and windshields down and God knows what else. It's a mystery. So super excited, as I've said it again and again. Stay tuned. All right, guys, finally made it out to the auto show. Gotta look for the Jeeps now. Take a look at this. Alright guys, so my wife and my kids have just actually made it into a JL right now. This is quite interesting. I'm going to show you the inside of it. If you guys haven't seen the test drive video that I've already uploaded. There's my family right behind me over there. We're going to take a quicker, closer look at it. Follow me. Alright guys, so I'm hopping into the Sport. You guys saw the Sahara Unlimited, the one that we actually test drove. So this is the Sport 2-door, not the Unlimited. And we're going to take a quick look into the interior over here. So first thing you'll notice is the smaller screen size over here. Now this does not have the navigation system. This just has your digital display over here for your radio, satellite radio, AM, FM, and that's about it over here. So it's pretty basic compared to the Unlimited Sahara. Over here we got the 6-speed manual transmission with your 2 high, 4 high, neutral, and 4 low. Looking over, this is brand new interior. Your Bluetooth control system right over here, your radio. Pretty neat. Pretty basic again over here, but quite neat. You have your media center over here as well for your auxiliary and your USB. You can also charge your phone as well. Pretty cool. Alright guys, we got the Sahara Unlimited over here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, in the Sahara, compared to the Sport, you have a bigger display, as I was telling you. Now this has the navigation system. It has the silver accessories and accents, leather seats, Sahara stitched on, embroidered onto the seats. Full power option. It's beautiful. Got the freedom panels off as well. Alright guys, so now we have the Rubicon. So we've seen the Sport, we've seen the Sahara, now the Rubicon. Now with the Rubicon, this has a red interior, which I'm not too fond of, but take a look at this. This is that extra option here with the Rubicon. Pretty neat. I love the stitched seats with the red and black. Rubicon embroidered on the seats as well. Red stitching around the steering wheel. Amazing. Really nice. Again, just not too fond about the red interior over there, because it's like you got the black, you have a bit of the white inside, and then you have a mix of red. But let me know what you guys think about the red interior. Comment below and let me know.
Many exterior improvements are hidden in plain sight on the Wrangler. For example, the body has been sculpted in such a way that it is more aerodynamic. Furthermore, the doors, the hinges, the fenders, the hood, and the windshield frame are made of lightweight aluminum. The rear swing gate is constructed with magnesium and aluminum, lowering the overall weight of Wrangler, improving fuel economy and performance. You may have noticed that the belt line has been lowered and that the windows are now larger, making for incredible visibility on and off-road. The available LED headlamps offer a bright and natural light. Wrangler knows how to adapt to your lifestyle, which is why the Wrangler is offered in a 2-door and a 4-door model. The doors are now lighter and easier to remove. Furthermore, half doors will be made available as an option in the near future. Lowering the windshield is now a quick and easy 4-bolt process. Off-road.
Alright guys, so I got Rex here from Downsview Chrysler, the place that I bought my Jeep from. How's it going?
Good, thank you.
Awesome, so I
Thank you very much for your
today.
time and attention.
And he's the one that actually recognized me from YouTube, so I really
Direct your
appreciate
attention
that.
now to the
That's awesome.
Jeep
So
Cherokee
I see we have the Rubicon
Samantha.
behind me. We have an amazing selection of
Samantha,
JLs here.
thank you very much.
It is pretty loud over there, but
engines on the market with an
Pleasure
impressive
meeting you.
270
Thanks,
horsepower.
thank you.
That's a
All right.
similar output to that
Take
of a
care.
V6
Okay.
and 200.
Alright guys, this pretty much sums up the whole Jeep section of the auto show. I'm going to be walking around. If I see something interesting, I promise I'm going to show it to you. But till next time, remember, Jeep, just empty every pocket. We'll see you guys soon.